think your English is better than most people? Today, we're going to find out. This isn't an ordinary English quiz. These are 10 questions that even many native English speakers get wrong. Keep track of your score as we go. Give yourself 1 point for every correct answer, and don't skip ahead. Ready? Let's begin. Question 1. How do you pronounce this word? Take a few seconds to think about it. The correct pronunciation is genre. Many people say genre, but that's incorrect. The word comes from French, which is why it has an unusual pronunciation. If you got that right, give yourself a 1 point. Now for question 2. Which sentence is correct? A. Neither of them are ready. Or B. Neither of them is ready. Think carefully. The correct answer is B. Neither is treated as singular in standard English, so we say neither of them is ready. Did you get it right? Great! Let's move on. Question 3. Which of these words does not rhyme with the others? Pause for a moment. The answer is though. Even though through and though look very similar, they sound completely different. That's one of the many reasons English spelling can be so confusing. So, how's your score so far? Let's keep going.
Question 4. What does the expression, "I'll take a rain check," actually mean? A. Come back tomorrow. Or B. Maybe another time. What's your answer?
The correct answer is B. A rain check doesn't literally have anything to do with rain. It's simply a polite way of saying, let's do it another time. Question 5. Which spelling is correct? Or, take a close look. The correct spelling is accommodation. A simple way to remember it is 2 C's and 2 M's. If spelling trips you up, this is one worth remembering. Before we continue, how many have you answered correctly so far? Let me know your score in the comments. Now, question 6. Complete the sentence. I'm interested. A or B? What's the correct preposition?
The answer is in. We always say interested in something. Question 7. What does the expression break a leg mean? A. Good luck. Or B. Be careful. Think before you answer. The correct answer is A. Actors often wish each other break a leg before going on stage. It's a traditional way of saying good luck. Nice work! Let's see how you do with the final 3 questions.
Question 8. Which word contains a silent letter? Or, take your guess. The correct answer is receipt. The letter P is completely silent, which catches many learners by surprise. Question 9. Which sentence sounds more natural? I'm good at English. Or, I'm good in English. Think carefully. The correct answer is I'm good at English. We use good at when talking about skills or abilities. Now it's time for the final question, and this one's worth bragging rights. What is the correct plural of cactus? A. Cactuses, B. Cacti, or C. Both. What's your answer? The correct answer is C. Both. Cacti is the traditional Latin plural, while cactuses is also accepted in modern English, so both are correct. That's it. How many did you get right? If you scored between 0 and 3, keep practicing. You'll improve with every quiz. 4 to 6, that's a solid score. 7 or 8, excellent work. And if you got 9 or 10, congratulations. You've probably beaten many native English speakers. Comment your score below and let me know which question surprised you the most. If you enjoyed this challenge, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Vocab Sense for more fun English quizzes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next challenge.